I didn't expect that this Model S would break down after it had only traveled hundreds of thousands of kilometers. Start driving it and ring it. Let's listen to its voice. It's just that its movie camera is broken into pieces. We need to dismantle it and repair it. Massage, massage. This reducer shaft is making a noise and needs to be replaced. Unplug the shock cycle and replace it with a new one. Replacement with an improved electric shock cooling water air. Replace the broken shaft oil and the windmill drove without any abnormal noise. I repaired the Tesla Model S and saved a lot of money on the car. Follow the record and let you know more about electric cars.